a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning a great speckled bird. Remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word, desiring to lower her standard. They watch every move that you make. They long to find fault in her teaching, but really they find no mistake. I'm glad I have learned of her meekness. I'm proud that my name is on her book. For I want to be one, never fearing the face of my Savior, true love. When He comes descending from heaven on the clouds as He rides in His word.